Hey guys, today I'm making this video. It's for the squishy pack, 2 squishy packages that I received today. Yep. So the first one is from like Squishy Bun. Yep. So the second one is from Honey Candies. Yep. So I will show you the Honey Candies squishy package first. Yeah. So it's a smaller package. So this is the bun that I bought from Honey Candies. Yeah. It's really cute. Yeah. So I'm gonna take it out. That's the plastic. Yep. So here is it. It's really very cute and it's really squishy. As you can see, it's really squishy. It's come up so slowly. Yep. So and I have a $1 change from her. Yep. So next I have the squishy bun. Yep. So this is the jumbo Kinder bun. Yep. It's taped with a Melody Deco tape, and the envelope was like taped with Hello Kitty Deco tape as well, and there was like some decorating things around it. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. Yeah, so there's a note here. So I'll read out the note first. It said, "Hi there, thanks for purchasing. Do you support again? Hope you like it. Enjoy your item." Oh, so here's the signature. Yeah. So I'm gonna open I'm gonna like take the pin out from the bubble wrap for now. Oh, so they are extra. So yeah. So here's the extras. There is 3 zip-up Hello Kitty zip-up bags. The small one, the medium-sized one, and the big one. Oh, so there is some label paper. Yeah, so there's some label paper inside. I'm gonna take it out. So I have the Hello Kitty label papers, the light pink one, the blue one, and the dark pink one. Yeah. So it's really cute. Oh, there's another one. Oh, the purple one. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. And there's another one, the popping piece, the green one. Yeah. So it's working well. It's cute. Okay, so next main point of the. So yeah, this is the jumbo peanut butter. I think I'm not gonna open it. I'm not gonna take it out from the zipper bag. I may do so later, but not now. So it's with like Melody Deco tape again. It's squishy, but not really. It's not as squishy as the jumbo bun just now. I think there's no defects. Yeah, so it's properly and nice. Yeah, so these 2 are the buns that I have received today. So yeah, so this is the end of my video. Thank you. Bye.